Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ramen oil. First, gather your ingredients: a neutral oil, fresh garlic, and ginger. You might also want some scallions or chili flakes for extra kick. Prepare your aromatics by thinly slicing or mincing them. This helps release their delicious flavors into the oil. Using a good quality neutral oil, like grapeseed or canola, ensures a clean base that lets the other ingredients shine through beautifully. Now, let's infuse that oil. Pour about 1 cup of your chosen neutral oil into a small saucepan. Add your prepared garlic, ginger, and any other aromatics. Heat the oil gently over low heat, aiming for a temperature around 200 degrees Fahrenheit. This slow infusion process, lasting 20 to 30 minutes, is crucial. It allows the flavors to slowly meld without burning the ingredients, resulting in a rich, aromatic oil. Once your oil has infused and cooled slightly, it's time to strain it. Carefully pour the oil through a fine mesh sieve into a clean, heat-proof container. Discard the cooked aromatics. They've done their job and given all their deliciousness to the oil. Let the oil cool completely before transferring it to an airtight container. Properly stored, your homemade ramen oil will stay fresh and flavorful for up to 2 weeks in the refrigerator. Now for some fun variations. You can customize your ramen oil by adding a splash of toasted sesame oil at the end for a nutty aroma, or a pinch of chili flakes for a spicy kick. Dried shiitake mushrooms also add a wonderful umami depth during the infusion process. A dash of soy sauce or a tiny pinch of sugar can further enhance the flavor profile. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. This versatile oil will elevate any ramen bowl.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.